Good morning, students. In 5th standard, last period we we learned about our third chapter. Third chapter name is multiples and factors. Then our next chapter, our fourth chapter is fraction. Then firstly, let us revise. We have given two diagrams. Firstly, one diagram, one girl says, my napkin is folded into 4 equal parts and it's a shaded part from a fraction which is 2 by 4. We have given one napkin. We have given one napkin. And it is folded, the napkin is folded in 4 parts, 4 equal parts. Then it's a shaded part form a fraction which is 2 by 4. Shaded form is the shaded form. Shaded part form of fraction 2 by 4 and white region is also 2 by 4. This is our first diagram. In second diagram, my napkin, in second boy says, my napkin is folded into 8 equal parts and it's a shaded part form a fraction which is 4 by 8. We have given second diagram. Second boy says, my napkin is folded in 8 parts. Then 8 part is, this is napkin folded in 8 parts. Then shaded region is 4 by 8. Shaded region is 4 by 8. There are 4 equal parts and 4 parts are shaded. Then the region is 4 by 8 and white region is also 4 by 8. 4 divided by 8. Then but both are equivalent fractions. These two both are equivalent fractions. That is 2 by 4 is equal to 4 by 8. 2 by 4 is equal to 4. These are known as a equivalent fractions. These are known as equivalent fractions. These are known as equivalent fractions. Then next we are given the call exercise. Then question is the call exercise. We are given some examples. Convert the following into improper fraction. Next one is convert the following in mixed fraction and addition of subtraction given. Then our first point is types of fraction. We will solve the call exercise in homework. Types of fraction. First point is types of fraction. Our first point is types of fraction. First type is proper fraction. First one is proper fraction. When a numerator of a fraction is less than denominator, the fraction is called as a proper fraction. When numerator of a fraction is less than denominator, the fraction is called a proper fraction. The fraction is called as a proper fraction. For example, when proper fraction is when denominator of a fraction is less than, when numerator of a fraction is less than denominator of the fraction, it's called as a proper fraction. For example, 2 by 5, 6 by 8. We have given some examples of proper fraction. 11 divided by 15, etc. When numerator of a fraction is less than denominator of a fraction, is called a proper fraction. When numerator of the fraction is less than denominator, that is 2 is less than 5, then it is proper fraction. In second fraction, 6 is less than 8, then it is also proper fraction. Next, third one is 9 is less than 11, then it is also proper fraction. This is first type, proper fraction. Then next one is improper fraction. Second type is improper fraction. Improper fraction. Improper fraction. When a numerator of a fraction is greater than or equal to denominator, the fraction is called a improper fraction. When numerator of a fraction is greater than or equal to greater than or equal to denominator, the fraction is called the improper fraction. Our example of improper fraction is 8 by 5. Second one is 10 by 7. Third one is 11 by 3. Fourth one is 7 by 7. Etc. are examples of improper fraction. When in improper fraction, when numerator of a fraction is greater than or equal to denominator, the fraction is called as the improper fraction. When numerator is greater than or equal to, to the denominator. If 8 is greater than 5, then it is improper fraction. Next one is 10 is greater than 7, and it is also improper fraction. 11 is greater than 7. 11 is greater than 3. This is also improper fraction. And 7 is equal to 7. Numerator is equal to denominator, then it is also improper fraction. Next third type is unit fraction. Unit fractions. A fraction having 1 as a numerator is called as a unit fraction. A fraction having 1 as a numerator fraction having 1 as a numerator is called a unit fraction. For example, examples of unit fraction is 1 by 5, 1 by 7, 1 by 9, etc. 1 by 5, 1 by 7, and 1 by 9. A fraction having 1 as a numerator. In this examples, 1 is in numerator, then it is a unit fraction. Fourth type is like fractions. Fourth type is like fractions. Like fractions. Then 2 or more fractions with the same denominator is called the like fraction. 2 or more fractions with the same denominator it's called the like fractions. For example, examples of like fraction is 5 by 7, 3 by 7, 2 by 7, etc. Examples of like fractions. 2 or more fractions with the same denominator. These three numbers, these three fractions have same denominator, then it is like fraction. Next, fifth one type is unlike fraction. Unlike. Fifth one type is unlike fraction. Fraction having different denominators are called as unlike. Fractions having different denominators is called unlike fraction. For example of unlike fraction is 8 by 9, examples of unlike fraction. The fractions having denominator different. Then it is unlike fraction. Then the next type is mixed fraction. Sixth type is mixed fraction. A fraction which is a combination of whole number and proper fraction is called a mixed fraction. A fraction is a combination of whole number and a proper fraction is called a mixed fraction. It's called a mixed fraction. For example of mixed fraction is this is example of mixed fraction. Third one example is in this example 1 is whole number, then 2 is whole number, and the second one is proper fraction. 1/5 is proper fraction. Then it is mixed fraction. Then last type of fraction is seventh type is equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. The fraction which represent same part of whole number, same part of whole is called the equivalent fraction. Other examples of equivalent fraction is 2/3. Then 4/6. 4/6 is also equal to 2/3. Next one 6/9. 6/9 is also equal to 2/3. 8/12 is also equal to 2/3. Then these fractions are equivalent fractions. Then next one is comparing fraction. We see the point comparing the fraction in next period. Okay, thank you.